Okay. Oh crap. Oh! Oh my god! The bird just pecked my foot! Why you peck my foot for? Oh my gosh, it's coming back to peck me again. Oh my gosh. Why is this bird so close to me? Oh my gosh, it's gonna hurt. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That kind of didn't hurt. Actually, that didn't hurt at all. Ow! Come on. Peck me. I dare you. Go. Here we go. Just scared. Come on, little birds. I've had enough of these.